In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your page layout in Wix Studio using Google Chrome. This guide will walk you through the process of modifying your grid or container dimensions to perfectly suit your design needs. First, let's make sure you've got Wix Studio open in Google Chrome. It's incredibly important to use Chrome as it tends to work more seamlessly with Wix, ensuring you have the best editing experience. Once everything's up and running, you'll want to head straight to the page layout you wish to adjust. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your design to figure out exactly what changes are necessary. Now, look for the grid or container that is holding the cells you'd like to modify. This is a crucial step as the grid or container essentially acts as the framework that holds your content in place, dictating how your page elements are arranged. Once you've clicked on the correct section, you'll notice handles popping up around them. These drag handles are your tools for adjusting the cell dimensions directly. Simply click and drag these handles to make your cells wider or narrower, taller or shorter, according to what best suits your design aims. If you prefer more precision or have specific measurements in mind, you can also manually input the width and height values. This feature is incredibly handy when you're working with specific spacing requirements or design guidelines that call for exact dimensions. Feel free to experiment with both methods to see which works best for you. It's all about creating a layout that feels right for your content and aesthetics. After you've made these adjustments, it's time to get a sense of how these changes look in action. Click on the preview option to see a live demonstration of your modifications. This feature is particularly useful for spotting any inconsistencies or if the layout simply isn't aligning with your vision. Don't hesitate to go back and adjust as needed. Sometimes achieving the perfect fit requires a bit of fine-tuning. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's essential to secure your hard work. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Remember, saving is crucial to avoid losing any adjustments you've made. Finally, when everything meets your expectations and you're ready to showcase your work, go ahead and publish your site for the world to see. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to refining page layouts in Wix Studio. Adjusting the dimensions of your grid or container can greatly impact the overall feel of your website. By following these instructions, you're now well equipped to create a